Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the BRD Bitcoin wallet application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your device, and once it is opened up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in BRD Bitcoin wallet and start your search. Once you find the BRD application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the BRD Bitcoin wallet application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on in order to launch open the BRD Bitcoin wallet app on your device. Once you open it up, you can simply proceed with signing up to create a new account or log into your existing one in order to start using the BRD wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the BRD Bitcoin wallet application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.